Welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host Clint Johnson, and what we'll be walking down and checking out today is a 2002 Maxum 2400SD Bowrider. And I love these little boats, and they're a lot of fun. So let's walk on down and check her out. So like I was saying, this boat is a 2002 Maxum 2400SD. She is located in Fort Myers Beach, Florida. These Bowriders, these smaller boats that, 20, 22, 24 foot range, this one's really nice because she is on the higher end of the range, so you have a lot of room. But they are amazing boats for coastal cruising, Florida waters, back in the intercoastal waterway, just having fun, getting out, and being able to haul a lot of people. You can see that this girl, her name is Chicago Waves. And for 2002, she is in pretty nice condition. But we'll get on board and take a closer look. All right, as I'm hopping onto this boat, I want to start off with a couple things just to point out that are important to a lot of people. This boat actually has a built-in, this is aftermarket. This right here is a freshwater flush system that's nice and easy. You just hook the hose to it. Once you're up on the lift, flush out the engines. Additionally, as you enter into the boat here, after you've been out swimming, enjoying the water, all of that, you have this freshwater shower system. So I just wanted to point that out before we got on board. We don't have the bimini deployed, but you can tell with all the canvas, it's in really good condition. And additionally, this boat has really nice canvas covers. They cover the entire thing. They're fairly new. I think the owner told me it was within the last year or two. So really nice. All right, as I get on this boat, we're gonna hop in the engine room real quick, and I'm gonna get some engine run video showing the engine run, but just note that it also does have a trickle charge system. And that trickle charge system is back in there. But let's fire up this motor and watch her run. So this boat has a large amount of seating. I mean, we're talking a 24-foot boat, but you can easily fit 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe kind of tightly put in 5 people, 4 there. Looking up forward, then you have these 2 chairs here. So you're talking 6 people. And then additionally, when you get up in the bow, you can easily fit another 4, maybe even 5. So a lot of room. It's a lot of people for a 24-foot boat. You do have a small additional sink right here. And as we move up to the Helm Station here we have Boat Snoopy hanging out, ready to drive for when we go out on the water. And I show you guys this boat getting up to plane. But you got your standard cockpit features, but one thing I do want to point out is something that's interesting that you just don't see on most boats. To start the engine, you actually put in like a 4-digit code and then hit start, and it starts right up. No key, no manual key, just electronic. That is really interesting about this boat. Pretty cool. And this boat does indeed have a head, folks. And for this size of boat, it's pretty roomy. Another thing I want to point out is notice all the wrapping is still on that toilet. And that's because it's brand new. I mean, it's a few years old, but the previous owner and the current owner have never used it. So brand new toilet, pretty good sized head for this size of boat. Now I will point out there is a good amount of storage here. There's other, you know, lockers and stuff for storage, but this one is actually, I mean, really long, could hold quite a few things. And then right behind the Helm Station here, additionally, we have a very large area for storage. And we'll start up here. We have the stereo system, which can be controlled from the Helm Station. Here's the stereo system. And the really nice thing about this storage area is there's a full-size electric cooler in here. Keep your drinks nice and cold, any snacks, maybe sandwiches, and it plugs in right into this 12-volt outlet. Additionally, behind this little leather panel and up here, you have access to your gauges, electronics, everything like that behind the Helm Station. So really good access, a lot of storage, really nice addition, perfect place for a cooler with that 12-volt outlet. All right, let's go check out the bow. Hey guys, do you need a loan to buy your new boat? So many lenders. Who to choose? Are you getting the best rate? What if the boat I want is older than 20 years old? Not to worry, my friends. Boat Snoop has a solution. As a yacht broker, I have a boat loan broker and sponsor of this channel that many of my clients use to great satisfaction. I jokingly call him my boat lending leprechaun, holding the Holy Grail in his right hand while riding a unicorn over a rainbow into a pot of gold. You might ask, Clint, why do you call him that? Because this guy, he has been in the business for over 30 years and has connections to almost every major boat lender possible. Additionally, he has a good handful of lenders that can finance a boat 21 to 30 years old. And lenders that do that are not that common. Finally, he has one lending source that can finance boats over 30 years old. That's right. It could be possible to get a loan on an antique or classic boat. To summarize, using a boat loan broker such as this saves you time, as you only have to fill out one application instead of many from a whole host of different lenders, which is time-consuming and utterly exhausting. As many of my clients have found, he'll bring to you the best financing deals he can find and that you can qualify for. If you're located in the United States, need a boat loan for $20,000 US or more, and you are interested in connecting with my personally recommended boat lending leprechaun, just email me your name and best phone number at lender@boatsnoop.com. Upon receiving your email, I will personally introduce my lender and you via email. At that point, I just fade away and let the two of you get to work on financing your new boat. Now, in my opinion, boats like these Bowriders, this is what makes them super amazing, super nice. If you've ever been on one, or if you haven't been on one, just getting up here, getting in the breeze while you're out there, you know, doing 20 knots, 25 knots, whatever, on a nice day, it's just gorgeous. And it can be a lot of fun, you know, getting a little bit of waves, whatever, and a little spray going on. But you can also, you can see that there is room where a table goes in there. There's another one in the back, but just the ability to fully lounge out just like this in one of these while underway, a lot of fun, super nice, amazing. And so many other power boats, you just don't have this option, just these Bowriders, and it is really, really nice. So with that being said, let's get out on the water and see what this Maxum can do. Well, thank you for joining me on another episode of Boat Snoop, where we took a look at a 2002 Maxum 2400SD by the name of Chicago Waves. Really love these boats. As you could see when we went out on the water, they're a lot of fun. Just go all over the place and just a lot of fun for friends, family, all of that. Once again, if you like seeing new boats, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure to give me that thumbs up, and if you want notifications so you can see the next video, make sure to click that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.